Introducing Copper Chef Crumb from JML, the powerful mini vac that makes a mess disappear like it was never even there.
I don't waste paper towels anymore. Copper Crumb sucks up spills, crumbs, and messes like they were never even there.
The cordless Copper Crumb makes your counter spotless, your car crumb-free, and your home pristine. Just look how Copper Chef Crumb's powerful motor sucks up messy spills like sugar, coffee, salt, and even sticky cereal. It's the fast, fun, easy way to clean. The secret is Copper Crumb's powerful 8,000 RPM cyclone vortex motor. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but it cleans up messes just like a normal vacuum cleaner. Copper Chef Crumb helps keep your stovetop clean. It sucks up sugar and salt. Spilled coffee grounds and pepper on your counter is gone. If your pet sheds hair, Copper Chef Crumb makes it disappear.
I love my dogs, but I hate their messes. Copper Crumb gets the mess, and I don't have to pull out the vacuum.
Copper Crumb is powerful enough to clean up all these messes, yet small enough to store in your drawer or even in your glove